Alright guys, we're doing the Ripley's Mirror Maze after the failed attempt through the haunted house. Wow. Which way do we go, Belle? Are you sure? I feel like I'm gonna walk into a mirror. Okay, don't go too far away from me. Okay, I'm gonna let you be the leader. So far so good, Belle. I think I see the exit. Hold on. Are you okay? Right here? Oh! Whoa! Wow! This is gonna be confusing. No, don't do that! Oh, this is really crazy. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Oh, so this is like a dead end. So we gotta go back out that way. Okay.
It was funny. There you go.
Thank you. Alright. This way? Oh, no, that's the emergency exit.
Come on, look.
I think we go down, let's go down this way.
Oh, no, let's try.
No, I know, but right here to the right? Right? No, I lied. Dude, this is Belle. This is tricky. This way. Yeah, okay. 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 Oh man, another dead Belle. We're lost. Where are we gonna go? How do we get out of here? Oh, hey, you again. I don't know, man. Oh. You got it? I don't know. We're gonna be lost in here forever.
I hope not.
That was a real people right there.
I felt like I was touching my hand. But
No, this is where we came in.
Oh my god.
This is where we went back to the entrance.
Oh my god. Where do I go? Yes.
We're totally lost. I don't know what to do.
Oh my god.
We gotta go back out this way.
Okay, so we
It
have
has to. That's the haunted house place. Don't worry about it. That's right next door. All right. Oh, okay. Pause for a moment. So keep going.
this way.
Okay. Okay, there's the exit, right? So how is that? Belle. Over here? Belle, I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh man, okay, I don't. Oh wait, yeah. Yeah, I got it. Woohoo! Hold on, don't run into something again. Okay, we're getting close. Look at the mirror. Is that it? Right here. Is this it?
this is my
We made it. We did it. Well, what do you think about that? Was that fun or what?
That was fun.
That was pretty hard, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go do something else, okay?